this is Matthew and welcome to a fidget spinner challenge, and today I'll be doing my old fidget spinner versus my new fidget spinner. Anyway, in the comments down below, say if the new one's going to win or the old one's going to win. I want to see how many people voted for this one and how many people voted for this one. So let's get into the video. I'm going to go for this one, so it's started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll start with 5 seconds. Now, my new one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That one won by miles. Anyway, this one's metal and that one's plastic. So the bouncing one, this one has to go because it lost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seconds, so it did better by 4 seconds. Now this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that one won. It's won both, so that one's champion, that one's loser. See how much tricks I can do with that. So, and the bounce is a trick. On there. No, I can't do it on the head with that. But anyway, this one's small than that one, so no. Oh. Yay! Because I just did that then. What? Oh. I dropped that. Oh. Pass. Now let's do some tricks with this. So the balance. The pass along. And pass it again. And pass it like that. And pass it again. And balance. Oh, the bounce on it. That's a trick, because it makes a noise, of course. Then, that'll make it go faster, I think. That'll make it not stop, probably. slow motion balance. Oh. Yeah. Sorry if this is the end of my video. Smash that like button and see you in the next video. Bye!